The HUAWEI Mate XT is a bold statement in the world of foldable smartphones, combining advanced technology with a sleek and innovative design. As one of HUAWEI's flagship foldable devices, the Mate XT redefines versatility and performance, making it a powerful tool for productivity, entertainment, and creativity. At its core is a revolutionary foldable OLED display, offering an expansive, edge-to-edge screen when unfolded and a compact, easy-to-carry form factor when folded. This seamless transition makes the Mate XT ideal for multitasking, gaming, or enjoying immersive visuals on the go. The display boasts vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth refresh rates, providing a premium viewing experience. Under the hood, the HUAWEI Mate XT is powered by a cutting-edge processor, ensuring blazing fast performance and effortless multitasking. Whether you're managing demanding apps, gaming, or streaming, the Mate XT delivers a lag-free experience. With ample RAM and generous storage options, you'll have all the space and speed you need for work and play. The camera system on the Mate XT is nothing short of exceptional. Featuring a versatile multi-lens setup, enhanced by HUAWEI's renowned AI technology, it captures stunning photos and videos in any condition. From ultra-wide shots to detailed close-ups, the Mate XT's cameras ensure professional quality results. Battery life is another highlight, with a robust battery that supports all-day usage and fast charging capabilities to keep you powered up in minutes. The Mate XT runs on HUAWEI's advanced software ecosystem, offering innovative features and seamless integration with other HUAWEI devices for a truly connected experience. The HUAWEI Mate XT isn't just a smartphone, it's a transformative device that bridges the gap between phone and tablet. Designed for those who demand both style and substance, the Mate XT stands as a testament to HUAWEI's leadership in foldable technology.